All right, so look what just showed up. This is the 52-inch 9-drawer heavy-duty mobile workstation with an adjustable height top from Husky, matte black. Home Depot just dropped it off. Very nice packaging. So let's put this together. So right off the bat, this thing is heavy. Very heavy. All right, so I am very glad that I actually got it delivered. Let's open it up. Always cut towards yourself. Let's see what we got. That is very nice. That's done. This is where all the stuff. Oh, so this is really nice that it comes with these mats. Some of the companies make you buy these separately. So we have two different types. We have a locking, like spinny one, and then we have like a fixed one. All right, so now we want to get these casters on here. It says in the book to lay it flat like this, but you know, I think I'm actually gonna lift it this way. And this is very heavy, so this is gonna be probably the hardest part. Let's see.
Even when you feel low, you can still go.
Yeah, that ain't gonna happen. That is, wow, that's heavy. All right, so we're gonna listen to the book.
I never ran to the no, man, I still go.
Oh, this is scary. Nope, done. So we got these casters on. I think you could put these casters on either side because you have two different types. They give you the supplied bolts and you just screw them in. Oh, no, goes this way, goes this way, goes this way. I had to clean out those threads. They do have a Phillips on them, so you can use a Phillips. All right, and on this side, we got the locking casters. All right, so these ones just go on like this. And again, I think you can put it on either side, but 1, 2, 3, 4, same process. Rinse and repeat. Now, I don't know how I'm gonna get this thing upright. It's super heavy, but I think I'm just gonna try lift it up. Yeah, baby. I really discourage anyone from doing that themselves. You can install this handle on either side. So you can install it here, or you can install it on this side. I'm not gonna install mine yet, but it's real simple, just 4 bolts. I'm just not 100% sure where I'm gonna put this. So for now, this will be stored in here. And it does come with these keys, which is pretty cool. If you follow my channel and you saw my video about toolboxes and how toolboxes were obsolete, you're probably going, Mike, you said toolboxes are obsolete. What are you doing with a toolbox? Well, yes, this is the mess that idea has generated. There's something really big that's missing here. And there's a lot more that's going into this than just a toolbox, okay? For the channel, I'm gonna use this as more like a display as well, so I can do videos in here. We're gonna also use this as like an entertainment spot in here. We're gonna make this garage a little bit more entertain-ish. And I'm actually thinking about putting a bigger top on here and actually having it extend so you could put bar stools on the edge. This is more than just a toolbox, but yes, I will be probably emptying out a lot of these bins into here and using it as a toolbox. We'll also be redoing this entire garage from floor to ceiling to this whole back wall. So we're gonna be getting, I think it's gonna be the new age, all on the back there, right? This will all be finished and painted and everything. And then this toolbox will live right here, okay? So this is the first part of a grand plan. Now, this is another piece. This is like a reel for extensions because it does have a power strip here on the side with USB. So pretty neat. But this is really the feature that I wanted it for, was for more of making YouTube videos. So, and I paid $750 for this. I probably paid the most that this has ever been on sale for in the last few years. I've seen this around Black Friday, I think for less than $500. You know, if you're looking at this, you know, $750 is a little much. So but you know, I needed it. So it is what it is. So if we pull this little tab here, we have a spot here for this crank. And I really like this feature because this is like, you can hide stuff here. Basically, it's like a hiding spot. And then what you do is you rotate this and this raises the top. honestly, I think we're gonna do something a little better. This bit here, I'm probably gonna buy a dedicated, this is a 10 millimeter like Allen key, and we could put this, if we have this special bit here, put this on our impact like so, put this on our impact like so. So now we have this little John, and we can go like, and now we have all this storage. See, it's coming together now. It's coming together now, all right? So this is where it's going to live for a few months, probably a year or so until we do the rest. Pretty packed down. You can see how easy I was able to move this around. But if I go through all this, I still need to organize this, but you can see how much tools we have in here. I don't know if I ever mentioned, it does have a lock, or I'm not 100% sure what I'm gonna do with it, but I need to get some bins or something for these bottom ones, these bottom drawers. But the soft close works really nice. Really like them. You know, and honestly at the store, at the store you can go there and you really feel this, you know, how solid these things are. Very impressed. Now, if you have any questions about this, I will most likely do a follow-up video on this in a year or two. So if you're into that kind of thing, hit that subscribe button. But I'm Mike, and I'm Husky, whatever this thing is, Toolbox, adjustable height, top, out.